How to transform image in Adobe Photoshop. Number 1. Change the size of an image. Open image in Photoshop which you want to transform. Click Edit, then click Transform and select the action you desire. Number 2. Rotation of an image. To flip your image vertically or horizontally, press Ctrl T and then right-click your mouse. Select the action you want, and when you are done, press Enter. Number 3. To distort or skew an image. Press Ctrl T and then place the cursor on whichever corner you want to distort. Press Ctrl while holding your mouse down on whichever corner of the image you're looking to morph and drag it down to your desired point. Finally, press Enter to activate.